She's a well-known juvenile court judge who has found herself at the center of several legal fights.
And now the people who were supposed to defend Judge Tracy Hunter are forced to go on the defensive after she filed a grievance against them. 9 on Your Side reporter Jay Warren is live in front of juvenile court tonight with the latest. Jay?
Well, Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieters was planning to defend Judge Tracy Hunter against the several lawsuits she faces. But after she filed a grievance against him and 3 of his assistants, he said he had no other choice but to step down. Hamilton County Prosecutor Joe Dieters explained today why he quit as Hunter's attorney.
We've now reached the point where we have to get off because she's filed this grievance against us in the Supreme Court of Ohio. And while that's pending, I can't represent her in other matters. It's a clear conflict.
Dieters says the judge, who's been serving for roughly a year, wasn't clear about the specifics in the grievance.
It's very vague. It says that basically that I slandered her. I don't know what she's talking about. But it's very vague. It's not specific. And, you know, it's difficult to respond to that because I don't know what she's referring to.
9 on Your Side's call to Judge Hunter wasn't returned today. She herself has been found in contempt of court for not allowing reporters into her courtroom. She denied 9 on Your Side's access into court as well as that of other media. The fight for Judge Hunter's place on the bench centered around the Board of Elections in 2010. Today I spoke to Tim Burke, the chair of the Hamilton County Democratic Party, who says Dieters' move was the right one, if not a little delayed.
Well, in all honesty, I wish that decision had been made weeks ago. Judge Hunter asked for her own personal counsel because of the same conflicts that finally were resolved yesterday when the prosecutor agreed to take his attorneys off of representing her.
As for her rulings on the media, 9 on Your Side contends the restrictions Judge Hunter has placed on reporters are unconstitutional and set a bad precedent.
I do understand the point that you are making. I don't disagree with the fact that we do have a free press, but the free press has always been restricted in juvenile court. That's nothing new.
Now, Dieters says that he is confident the state Supreme Court is looking at these issues very closely. Any actions the court could take, if any, could include the suspension of her law license. Now, we spoke to one of the attorneys who has agreed to represent her. He has yet to, however, be appointed. That is pending the approval of the judges in the Court of Appeals. Jay Warren, 9 on Your Side, downtown.
Jay, thanks for that report. Tonight